Weh, jangan tak atas meja lah.
Princess Iman.
Allah. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm actually filming this in the afternoon, like 10 minutes past 1 o'clock. And basically this morning I woke up and then I basically edited my second day of Ramadan vlogs, just because yesterday I was really unmotivated at all. Like I didn't do anything. I was just like being lazy at home. I'm currently uploading a video. Wow, 31 minutes left. That's great. It's a Ramadan day too, so make sure you guys check it out. Oh, by the way, I have like this big zit right here, guys. And then I think I got bitten by something. Like it's itchy, and look at my mouth. Like my lips are like swollen for some weird reason. Okay, today the plan is I'm gonna make karipap, like karipap pusing. I'm gonna go downstairs now. What happened? That's a cut.
Jangan pegang lah, sakit. Macam kebas.
Tengok je tak nampak. Oh, nampak dah, jangan gerak. Teruknya dia. Nampak apa?
Sakit.
Nampak apa?
Kat tengok tengok. Tembok bawah tu macam simen tu baru.
There's two dough for karipap pusing. So this is the butter dough, like, or margarine dough. It's like the outer layer part, which I'm just gonna put cold water. Mat lang.
Sakit.
Habis dah daging tak?
Looks so naked. This is the sauce. 3 rasa ke sweet sour?
3 rasa.
3
Tapi tak ada.
Kari ikan masak 3 rasa.
I should stop. So I think I should like stop drinking because I think I'm gaining weight from drinking.
Iman, berapa kg je pun kau naik, Iman?
1 kg, Marissa. Can you imagine?
What the heck? Only 1, Iman! It's not even a big deal. Iman, cakap hi. You're gonna be in my vlog.
Hi. Hi. It's Iman Princess here.
Iman Princess?
Princess Iman.
Allah. Did you text Jade recently?
Jade? Yeah, Marissa, I texted.
Wow, look at that. My glorious ramen. It's almost done. I got another 1 minute to let it cook. And it's done. I've added some vegetables as well. It's gonna taste good.